During the week gone by, we witnessed swings on both sides as markets clearly looked clueless. Importantly, the overall trading range has shrunk drastically, which is a sign of consolidation. The similar sort of action was seen across the globe, and hence, with lack of major triggers, Nifty eventually ended the week with a percent cut. Clearly, the market is trapped in a slender range, and during the last week, Nifty traded in 450 to 500 points range, which is well below its recent average. Of course, the India VIX, which was at 12 years high towards the end of the March, has cooled off considerably to end below the 40 mark. Now, if we observe the daily chart, the Nifty is trading within the boundaries of rising wedge and is now approaching the apex end. So we are expecting the breakout to happen soon, likely to be in next 2 to 3 days. As of now, we are hoping that the breakout will be on the upward direction, that is above the 9400. And if this happens, we would likely to see rally towards 9500 and 9700. However, if Nifty breaks the lower end, then traders should look to exit their long position as market will likely to correct lower. Therefore, 9400 on the upside and the 8900 on the lower side will be the level to watch out for. At present, it is advisable to keep a note of above mentioned levels and should ideally adopt a stock specific approach. We have a couple of recommendations. Our first buy call is on Ipca Lag. This stock is in a strong uptrend, and in spite of recent turmoil in the stock market, the stock prices have maintained high top, high bottom price structure. Recently, the stock prices had given a bullish saucer breakout at around 1550 levels, and post this breakout, the stock prices had quickly hurried towards the 1800 levels. Now, in the last few sessions, the prices had corrected back towards the previous breakout levels at around 1550 levels with low volume, and now we are witnessing a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, which indicates a resumption of primary uptrend. In addition, moving averages and oscillators are positively placed. With the overall uptrend in the pharma stock, we expect this stock to outperform, and hence we recommend Ipca Lab at current levels of around 1600 with the stop loss of 1510 for the targets of around 1810 in the next few sessions. Our second buy call is on Hero Motors. This stock has recently seen a strong bounce from the lower levels of 1540 with good increase in volume. On the daily, we are now witnessing a higher bottom formation, which is a first sign of bullish reversal. Also, the prices have closed about 20-day simple moving average, and the oscillators are positively placed. Hence, we expect a strong outperformance by Hero Motors. Hence, we recommend it at the current levels of around 1890 with the stop loss of 1785. The target would be at around 2100. Thank you.